Hi guys. Well, scheduled to do a mukbang video tonight, a cooking Grandad style video followed by a mukbang video where I show you I'm looking after myself while Nanny's on holiday, but she's come home a day early. The weather's been pretty awful, so rather than leave it to the Saturday and come home with all the holiday traffic, they came home a day early, which is still holiday traffic. Still took them about 3 hours to do 100 miles. But she's home, so I'm not cooking tonight. We are having takeaway pizzas. So I got a Hawaiian here. I know some people think Hawaiians don't count as pizzas, but that's what I've got. And a glass of wine. And I'm not going to sit here and eat it, because I'm going to go in the other room with Nanny and we're going to sit and eat pizzas and have a chat and a glass of wine. Just a quick look around. That's Nanny's beach chair, which is full of sand and wet, so we're letting it dry off. That's the beach parasol that's still got rain on it. That's still drying off. So I'm not going to be doing much in here anyway, because until that lot's dried off, I've got no space. So that's it. So no mukbang video tonight, and I probably won't be doing another one for the foreseeable future. I just thought I'd better do this sort of one to let you know that there won't be one. I suppose just for the sake of it, I could just eat a little bit. That's nice. But I'm not going to sit here and eat it all. So that's it. Short video. Not going to tell you about my life or how much work I've done tidying up the house. Other than I did do a little bit more today, but I really couldn't do much because I had to be ready to go and collect her when she got back to my daughter's house. So I still managed to do 2 videos. One of my foam aeroplane videos. Oh, I showed you it yesterday, I think. And I did say I'd do a video of it flying. So it's been flying out the back there. And I've done a paper aeroplane. So that's 2 videos today. And a trip to the recycling centre to get rid of the last of the rubbish. Well, it's not the last of the rubbish, but the last of the rubbish from this session anyway. So yeah, Nanny's home. I've no doubt she'll expect me to cook for her now that I've done it for a week on my own. Although she's not that keen on beans on toast. So yeah, that's it guys. Short video, end of the mukbang series, and back to some sort of normality, I suppose. See you in the next video. Oh, end screen, quick end screen. So as usual, up here will be a video that YouTube thinks you'll like on my channel. Down here is my channel, so you can go and have a look at my other videos. Up here, the latest video on this channel. Down here, an associated playlist that goes with this video, which will be my cooking Grandad style, I should think. And down below, other information, useful links and things that I think you might like to know in the video description. Thanks for watching. See you again.